So what does personal work look like for you?
Uh,
Like what are the kinds of things you like? Is it more weapons or are they different topics or subjects?
yeah, pretty much more weapons. Here, I could show you the third one real quick. Uh, and then there's another weapon I was working on the side. Pretty much, yeah, this one was the last session I had with them, that
Mm-hmm.
third one. And yeah, pretty much going back to just trying to nail down that variation, the gloss variation from like your hands.
Mm-hmm.
Like someone's hands right there, your hands are
Yeah.
greasy, so it's gonna give that effect. Pretty much just still trying to trick your eyes and make your eyes think, oh, that's photoreal. So yeah, that's what I pretty much was really able to refine taking those classes was the texturing aspect, how to get it
Yeah.
photoreal, and what sells it and how to sell it pretty much.
It'd be interesting to see like how extensive the reference collection that you do on these is. I mean, just short of buying a gun yourself, this is
Yeah.
pretty amazing that you're able to get it to this level of realism.
Yeah, I could show kind of what the ref scene looks like for like gathering all the reference.
If you got it, what do you use to collect your reference? You just kind of put
Uh,
together stuff in Photoshop, or do you use
uh,
Pure Ref?
Pretty much pure ref. They kind of got like a software bug where it's on my third monitor and I can't drag it to my middle one.
So
Um,
that's your reference page.
yeah, so pretty much, yeah, gathering all those, kind of naming everything so it's
Yeah.
easier to find. And as you can see at the top, just having in every angle photos of it, just
Yeah.
eyeballing it from there. I was playing Battlefield 5 and I really loved the World War II stuff they were doing. So pretty much I kind of wanted to make like a World War II prop. So
Yeah.
yeah, this was a World War II landmine I made. It's
Mm-hmm.
pretty much in a case. So you pretty much get it pulled out of there when you want it deployed. So pretty much, yeah, going back and just still trying to nail down that variation and cell aware on it.
Yeah, the modeling complexity itself is not too bad in terms of it, but
Yeah.
it's all in the way you handled the textures, dude. That rocks. I mean,
Thank you. Yeah, yeah, from here I really just kind of
that looks more
love
complex.
texturing. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's yeah, a lot of times I find myself just kind of I really like the modeling, but I actually then find myself really enjoying the texturing and trying to sell the eye on photorealism. It's really difficult to get to that point, but I think that's what makes it fun. It's trying to add all these tiny details like the scratches and the rust, the
Beautiful.
storytelling,
Unbelievable. Great stuff, man. Thank you for sharing.
Oh yeah.
Any other stuff that's personal stuff that you've been up to?
Yeah, there's this one here. Let me close a couple of these out. My 1080 Ti's can only handle so much.
So,
There
I
we go.
mean, why you, oh my God, is this, jeez. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Yeah, so pretty much, yeah, still,
I like your
uh,
light rig. There's a lot going on with those little lights.
yeah, the lights aren't really working to my advantage right now. When I try to rotate the scene, I'll have to leave them there. But yeah, pretty much this was a render scene for my first station. And yeah, this one was kind of like the same thing, but I really wanted to go a little crazy on my modeling. So, I chose this really complex laser sight with all these Boolean cutouts.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So pretty much just kind of exercising my modeling in there and then also kind of getting more in depth with texturing as well.
Can you just for my sake, because I'm like I love looking at wireframes. I mean, I love the
Oh yeah,
texturing,
for sure.
but I
Totally.
am like I love wireframes.
Oh really? Yeah,
Yeah, I
totally.
just love to see those choices.
Okay.
It's not. It's more like modelers think about it all the time.
Uh-huh, for
Yeah.
sure. So yeah, that was a
Yeah.
wireframe right there. Pretty much too with this one, I was kind of learning too to kind of focus more try
Yeah.
counts in the first person area rather, back here on the stock where you'll see
Mm-hmm.
more of that less try count.
Yep.
But yeah, pretty much just trying to get all this modeled in. I remember took a real long while, so many components, and actually, even if you open this part up, there is internals for it right there.
Ha!
Yeah, so it got all the little gadgets it utilizes to get the bullets to come in. So it was almost like trying to model a wristwatch with all the internals.
So in games, I mean, it seems like, there's some things that parallel some of the film paradigms and modeling. Like, I guess if you're going to see it in action, but in this case, it seems like, from a presentation standpoint, it looks like you like to model all that stuff in there, even if you don't open up the gun on your portfolio, but you could if you wanted to.
Yeah, no, I definitely find myself just loving the model details that someone will probably like never see, like the hole cut right there for the trigger.
Yeah.
I don't know why, just psychologically, it's more satisfying to feel like you got every detail nailed down to the T.